Hello everyone, my name is Nikhil Bhadani. I am from Ranchi, Jharkhand. I have completed my bachelor's in electrical engineering from C.V. Raman College of Engineering, Bhubaneswar. I was looking for a job in IT company, but unfortunately I was unable to get it. Thereafter, I got to know about Evision from one of my friends, and after researching about it, I got enrolled in Evision job internship program. After joining, I got real-time work exposure and experience in core technologies such as CCNA, routing and switching, Windows administration, basic of networking and cyber security. There were different trainers for different modules such as Roshan sir, Rahul sir, Tarun sir, Vibhushit sir, and Manu sir. In basic networking module, I learned about the network and its types, various network topologies and networking devices such as hub, switch, routers, and modems. Network security devices such as firewall, VPN, and proxy server. I also learned about virtualization and its types, how to create virtual machine in VMware, hypervisor and its types, and basics of cloud computing, cloud deployment model, and cloud service model. In Windows administration module, I learned about various boot mode in computer, conversion of MBR to GPT and GPT to MBR, how to enable administrator account and user account, difference between workgroup and domain. I also perform practical on how to join domain from workgroup, how to remotely access the user PC through server using remote management. I also learned about various tools such as BitLocker, disk fragmentation and defragmentation, disk cleanup and device management. I also learned how to configure Outlook, various mail server settings such as IMAP, POP, and SMTP, and common Outlook troubleshooting such as PST backup and PST repair. I also learned about Windows troubleshooting issues such as BSOD error, system hanging issues, and black screen error. I also learned about Windows Server 2012 and various concepts in it like Active Directory Domain Service, that is EDDS, Domain Controller and its types, DSCP configuration, and Window Deployment Service. In CCNA module, I learned about OSI model, IP addressing, subnetting concept like VLSM and CIDR value. I also learned about various routing protocols such as RIP, EIGRP, and OSPF. Also, I learned about remote access of router through console cable and using telnet and SSH. I also learned how to apply ACL on router. In switching, I learned about what is VLAN, VLAN configuration in switch, inter-VLAN routing using multi-layer switch, VLAN trunking protocol, and spanning tree protocol. I also got familiar about various types of cable used in networking. In cybersecurity module, I learned about basic of cybersecurity, types of hacker, CIA model, hacking phases, various types of scanning such as half open scan, full open scan, and XMS scan. Hacking tools such as Nmap and Metasploit framework, stenography and its types, malware and its types, and various types of password attack. Lastly, in ITIL, I learned what is the importance of ITIL in organization, why we use ITIL, and various terminology related to ITIL such as incident, problem, incident management, and problem management. Every module I learned here is equivalent to 1 year IT company experience. Every week, there is a mock interview which boosts my confidence to face the real-time interview. I am very much confident that if given a chance, I will surely prove it to be an asset and not a liability to a company. Last but not the least, I would like to thank the whole Evision team for bringing out the best in me. Thank you.